Alright, y'all. So we got it. As of right now, we got it figured out. We ain't got a gasket. Put the gasket on there. We all good. Fire up. I just drove around the corner. You know what I'm saying? Smoothed out from all that missing we were doing that first. Smoothed out. And yeah. I ain't gotta start it back up. Yeah, y'all. I'm sure y'all take my word for it. But got that done. Now I'm about to get in Ashton's car. Well, I ain't gonna say get in it, but change this. I don't even know what this is called. I have no idea what this is called, but it goes like this. And it's down there. Y'all see it down there? So no, it don't go like that. It goes up like this. The screws, see the screws right there? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to get in there and take them hose clamps off, take that cable off, drop the part, put them back in there with the clamps, put that cable back on. Yeah, and that'll be it. So yep, we can get to doing that. Let this hood back down so the sun won't be on that motor and making it hot. But anyway, I probably ain't gonna record that, or should I? Yeah, I record it. I get Ashton to hold the camera while I'm taking that off, unscrewing and all that good stuff. So let me get him and get to work while I'm still up. I don't know if y'all can see back there, but it was a screw. It's a 10mm bolt back here. If you take that off, let me see. Can y'all see my hand? Y'all can't see my hand, but if you take that 10mm bolt off right there, freeze up all this, except for this. Okay. Now the cable not in my way no more. We got a little clamp on it. So now I can get to that hose clamp, that hose clamp. I think I took, nah I didn't, somebody had cut it. But anyway, yeah, hold it. I need to give me some channel locks. That way I ain't gotta deal with this. Trying to take this off with wire pliers. But that's the whole point of me taking it down so I can move it how I want to move it. Let's see, what is this? Lose a little antifreeze, but that's okay. You can always put your little.
I thought something was draining out anyway.
Huh?
I thought something was draining out anyway.
Where? Antifreeze?
Yeah.
Where? You see that? No, you ain't had no antifreeze problem.
I thought something was draining out anyway.
Shouldn't be. But if it is, we will check it. Ah, shit. God damn. Damn flies. I'm looking. Come here. Stop acting like that. Your dad's right here. He watching me do this. You do not have to act like that. Alright, now I need a flag. Alright. Please don't. Ah, damn. I was just gonna say that. Please don't stab yourself in the hand with the screwdriver. Let's see if I can get you off, buddy. Take that off. Oh shit. Oh man, they rusted on. Oh, that's just great. Okay, this one might be cool. And I think it moved the what's called too. What do with it? What that? Oh. It just moved a piece. Come on, man. Cause I really need you help. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming to here. Just look, I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Gang has its own perks and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy those enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video. So we got the rusty bolts out, y'all. Now I gotta figure out, or rusty screws, now I gotta figure out which way this goes, cause I gotta go that way. I'm trying to see how. That's not going, that's not right. Because if I put this on here, it's gonna hit that. Huh. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, instead of putting that bracket back on, I'm gonna leave it back in. I'm gonna put this on, and I'm just gonna see when you switch them over. Yeah, I'm gonna see when you switch them over. This one was working though. I don't know why it wasn't working. Cause it's working in here. Ah, well. I guess it
still old. It wasn't working as well.
Nah, it wasn't working. It wasn't moving. I guess it was. It's way harder to move than that one though. Like this one hard. See, I can just. Like this one, my finger. I can't do this one like that. Need a little force. What? I'm tripping.
Is you?
Yeah, I'm tripping for real. Because this one goes the same way this one going. I'm tripping. Why is it? Was that on upside down? Nah, I took it off this side.
You might be tripping. It looks the same.
I don't know why though. I'm trying to figure out like, cause it's supposed to go all the way over. This one ain't going that far, but it go lay down further. I don't know. I'm finna try it. So, put this back in. But they gotta go face up because that's the way the bracket is. Alright, sorry about that, y'all. So that cable right there and that lever right there, that's in the AC position, the AC cold. AC blowing cold. But when he turn it to heat, the cable or that lever don't move. That was the reason why I changed the part, because I thought it was the part. Nothing moves when he changes it to heat. So now I guess I gotta figure that out. But so now we really moving his AC from heat to, you know what I'm saying, on some manual shit. So I don't know. If anybody know about how they work with that cable, mind jump in the comments, let me know, man. But right now, yeah, AC cold. And it didn't get like that until I moved that the lever right there. So yeah, if anybody know, let me know, man. But I'm gonna go and close this video out. It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Ain't a Man himself. As soon as y'all in too far. Big Below, Mr. Ain't a Man himself, man. And I'll catch y'all next one.